Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the dialog volume in Grounded 2. Let's begin by opening the option menu. In options, look for the audio tab. In here, select the look for the dialog volume right here. This setting lets you adjust the volume level of character dialog. You can set it as low as 0%, being muted, as high as 100%, being the max. I will set it to 50%, of course you do you. Once you are done here, press the close button to, well, close the menu and save the changes. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.